in the heart of Thebes, where ancient oaths are never broken, her destiny begins. My beliefs feel like shifting sand, yet the gods place a weight on my heart I cannot deny. The city looks so peaceful from here, but I worry for its future.
Princess, your strength has always been the light your people follow, even when the path ahead is covered in shadow.
My princess, forgive my interruption. Lady Meruha has arrived at the palace gates, and she humbly requests an audience with you.
Tell Lady Meruha I will meet her at once and guide me to where she waits.
The winds whisper of change. The princess will arrive soon.
I feel the High Priestess calling. I must speak with her. Honored Meruha, your wisdom lights this temple. I am grateful for your summons.
The veil between our world and the divine tremble. And you, child of the sun, stand at the center of its awakening.
If the gods truly call to me, then tell me, Meruha, what darkness stirs beneath our sands?
A forgotten shadow seeks to rise again, and only a heart untouched by corruption may stand against it.
Princess Neferet, I found something in the old storage room, something glowing, and I swear it whispered your name.
You've always carried a brave heart, Sani. Show me what you found, and walk with courage.
Whatever power sleeps here, it does not feel human. Princess, stay behind me.
No, Kamos, it called my name. I must face it myself.
Great Amun-Rê, open the path. Let your chosen stand before your eternal flame.
Child of the sun, the strength you seek already lives within you, and with it, the fate of this kingdom now rests in your hands.
If I am truly chosen, then guide me, Great One. I will walk whatever path you reveal.
Then rise, Neferet, for the dawn of your destiny begins now.
Princess, wherever this path leads, I will stand with you until the final breath leaves my body.
I'll help however I can, even if my hands shake the whole way.
Then together, we will protect our kingdom, our people, and the light that binds us all.
Thank you for watching. But the gods are not finished yet.